Yes,
kill
sir.
the man that is sitting to hear the party's affair.
Hold Come this way.
This is injustice.
This is injustice.
Nigeria is 250 million people.
Nigeria is 250 million people.
Leader. So can you tell us the essence of this protest? The message.
Step back.
Please stay back. Stay back.
Just step back small, please. Just stay back small.
So yeah, what is this essence? What are you agitating for? What's the essence of this procession?
We are here to save our democracy. It is obvious that this government is bent down to making Nigeria a one-party state. The government in power is conniving with government institutions to make Nigeria a one-party state. We are here in the Federal High Court because judiciary is our last hope. Justice Lifu
Must go.
must go.
Yes.
Justice Lifu
Must go.
Justice Lifu must go because he has compromised the system.
Yes.
He has compromised. He is a sellout.
Yes.
He deregistered our party, the ADC, even when our own pair, the INEC, says it's wrong. He went ahead to do it. So we are here. We are calling for his head. He must leave the judiciary.
Yes.
The judiciary is not for sale.
Yes, sir.
Judiciary is the last hope of Nigerians.
Yes.
We have written to the CGN a petition that with kind of Lifu in this system, Nigerians will lose hope in judiciary.
Yes.
And when Nigerians lose hope in judiciary, there will be hopelessness.
Yes, of course.
We are Nigerian youth, we are young, this is our country. We don't want chaos in this country. So we are calling for the Attorney General, we are calling for the leaders we have, the remaining head of states we have, to intervene. The way things are moving, people are losing hope in the system. By the time people lose hope, there will be chaos. And that's why we are organized here in this court to call for the removal of Justice Lifu, Peter Lifu.
Yes.
Because he's a disgrace to Nigerians. He's a disgrace to the nation.
Yes.
He's supposed to be an honorable judge, but what he's doing is not honorable.
Yes.
So we are here to call for his head that he should be removed from this injustice he's doing.
Yes, sir.
Justice Lifu must go!
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 Had we got any response, we wouldn't have, come here. Had we got any response, we wouldn't have come here.
Yes.
We have come here physically to show that we have not gotten response. And we will not stop. What we are saying is, this is democracy. In democracy, there's freedom of speech. There is freedom of movement. And the judiciary is the major pillar of democracy. So with what Justice Lifu is doing, the remaining hope Nigerians have in judiciary, they are losing it.
Yes, sir.
As young people of this country, we don't want that to happen. Already, we are experiencing high insecurity, banditry, kidnappings, and now we don't want to have judicial bandits. Lifu is a judicial bandit.
Lifu is a bandit.
Yes, we don't want him here. We have respect for the judicial institution and the kinds of Lifu making it to look as if it's a child's play. When you have gotten an order from the High Court and you decided to go ahead with whatever you want to do. So those kind of people should not be in this system. We are here calling for his removal so that the system will be intact. Yes, thank you very much.
No ADC.
No election. No ADC. No election. No ADC. No election.
Lagos. Nigerians does not belong to ADC. They will no ADC, no elections. We say no to one party system in Nigeria. They cannot deregister our party.